Now if you notice the third one here, they just given us a picture. Alright? So, we look at the picture and we decide what information do I have. If you have the y-intercept, you could use slope-intercept form, but you know what? We don't. We have a point here over in quadrant 2 and we have a point here down in quadrant 4. This problem is no different than the one 2 problems ago. They just given me 2 points. So I'm going to have to use point slope and figure out my slope. So y2 would be negative 10 minus y1 would be 2. So negative 10 minus 2. x2, the x value of my second point, 2 minus negative 4. I got negative 12 over 8, excuse me, which is negative 1.5 or negative 3/2. Okay? I could take either one of these points with this slope and use point slope, not slope int, because these are not ints, they're not y-intercepts. So I'll take this point, and I would have y minus y1 is m times x minus x1 is the model. Y minus 2 equals negative 3/2 times x minus negative 4bx plus 4, and there would be my equation. Now you may be asked to pretty it up in a slope-intercept form as one of your multiple choice answers, but realize this about all state tests. They're all multiple choice and the answer is there. Your job is to find the answer. So if you have this form and you're looking down there and it's not in that form, it's in slope-intercept form, well then you have to pretty it up into slope-intercept form. Okay? Okay, continuing on, I'm giving you several examples here. How about letter D? It has this line right here. Can you make an equation for it? And of course we can. We have 2 points. Now if you look carefully, we get lucky here. We have an actual y-intercept finally. So that looks like it crosses the y at negative 2. So the y-intercept would be negative 2. Now, how about it? Y equals mx plus b. I've got a y-intercept, so I'm going to plug into this model, so I also need to determine the slope. Interestingly enough, you guys, I think you can see this visually, I hope. I came up here by the board. From here to here, it's a positive slope, and I've got rise, I've got run. Slope is the vertical change divided by the horizontal. The rise is 2, and it looks like the run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the slope here is 2 over 6, which reduces to 1 over 3. So I have got an equation here now. Slope intercept. Y equals 1/3 x negative 2. There we go.